Hi there, my name is Erica Hill and I'm a student at Tarleton State University and I am majoring in interdisciplinary studies. I am working on reading strategies right now, and the reading strategy I will be going over is during reading, and the content area is science. Um, so what I have chosen is sticky notes and annotations that we can do within lots of reading. It can be books, it can be the textbook for the classroom, it can be passages that are given from the teacher, chapter books, whatnot. And what you'll do is you will go through and you will put in little sticky notes around important information. I have my teacher book here, so we use this one just for today. And so what you'll see is there is a sticky note here. You can see this one. So there's a sticky note there, and what that is that was over a bode word. The bode word was habitat, and a habitat is a place where an organism lives and gets the things it needs to survive. And then over on this side, we have another sticky note, and this I just stated an important fact. So there was an important fact here that was also in bold print that stated an environment supports a population by providing all the necessary conditions for organisms to survive, such as food, water, and space. So these would be what the students could do within their own little science book. And so as you see, this would be like where it would be cut off if it were in a regular science book. And so the sticky notes would actually stick out. And so when the students would have it here, it would be an easier read or find for them to go through their book and actually find the sticky notes hanging out of their book so that they can refer back to those pages as they need to. So to begin with the strategy, you would first model the strategy for the students and let them know what to do, how to do it. There's sometimes you may have to give sentence starters for some students. Let them know, look for bold print, look for certain, different vocabulary that's within the passages. And then you can also let them know or to start off with short text before you move on to larger passages or larger chapters or whatever that may be for your class. And then just let them know about putting the sticky notes on whatever important information they have found. And they can even do it for questions. If they may have questions about the text, if there's something they don't understand, they can put the sticky note there as well, and that way they can come back to that or refer back to that with the teacher so that they can have a better understanding of that later. So the strength of this strategy is how it allows students to be able to record their own thoughts, reactions, comprehension, and dialogue as they read. And then another example that I have is a picture here of, this is a science book, and they have a text that's here, and it shows their questions. So matter can be destroyed, and how. So as they would complete their reading, then they should be able to come back to that page and they would be able to answer that question that they had posted for themselves. So this was a good little strategy that I enjoyed. My daughter actually used to do this strategy in school herself. They did it more in reading than they did in any other subjects. And so it was something I was kind of familiar with and I really enjoyed because I saw how it helped her even with just her regular daily reading. She was in second grade at the time, I believe, and they started doing that as she was reading chapter books. So that helped her to remember some of the parts of the stories as she read through the chapter books and being able to go back to those pages to refer to what she had already read about. So I hope you enjoyed my reading strategy for science, and hopefully you can use it one day in your classroom. Thank you.